Hey, let's jump right into this quick explainer on how to install and configure the NexTV IPT Player. We've got 3 easy steps here. Grab the downloader app, install NexTV, and add your playlist. First up, from your device's home screen, just search for and click on the downloader app. Select Downloader from the results, click Download, and just wait a sec for it to install. Back on the home screen, go ahead and hover over Settings, then click My Fire TV. Choose Developer Options. Don't see it? Just click About, then tap your device name 7 times. Now, hit Install Unknown Apps, and make sure to toggle it on for Downloader. Alright, launch Downloader, hover over that URL bar, and click Select to open up your keyboard. Type in the code 250931. This gets you into the toolbox, then just click Go. On the toolbox home screen, simply scroll down, find NexTV IPTV Player, and click Download. Once the app finishes downloading, go ahead and click Install, and then hit Done. Head over to your apps list, select NexTV, click Move, and drag it right to the top. Now, launch NexTV and click that little settings gear in the upper left-hand corner. Select Add a Playlist and pick how you want to log in, like using extreme codes. Enter the login credentials your specific IPTV service gave you, and then click Submit. Check off the live TV, VOD, and TV shows categories you want to see, then click Next. And there you go! You're on the NexTV home screen, totally ready to start streaming. Just a quick heads up, the free version does restrict VOD movies to a 30-minute limit. But a NexTV Plus subscription gets you unlimited VOD, better playlist management, and helpful cloud syncing.